Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 935 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, use the up or down button to scroll through the menu, select the settings option, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Now scroll through the menu, select the option called the system, and then press the start button to enter, and here you should see the language option. Once it's selected, press the start button, it will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by pressing the up and down buttons, select the language you would like to use on your watch, and then press the start button to confirm and apply it. And after a second or two, the language will be applied. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.